Hello everyone. In this video I'll be talking about the chapter The Invisible Living World. This chapter belongs to class 8th. So let's start with this chapter. So we can see most of the things through our eyes, but in order to see very small creatures we use the lens, specifically the magnifying lens. Right, but even magnifying lens or magnifying glass cannot help us see all the living creatures. So there are certain living organisms which we can only see with the help of microscope, and the organisms that we see under the microscope we call those as microorganisms. These are the organisms which cannot be seen by naked eye and can only be seen by microscope. Now let's discuss the scientist. So there was a scientist called Robert Hooke. In 1665 he wrote a book called Micrographia. In this particular book, he showed detailed diagrams of tiny organisms that we have never seen before. He saw those organisms by using a self-made microscope. With this microscope, he observed that a thin slice of cork of a tree, and he observed that there are simple little empty spaces like this. He called those spaces or those little compartments as cells. Cell is the basic unit of life. Now basic unit means that everything in the living organism is made up of cells. For example, we have nerve cells, we have blood cells, etc. Right? Now there was another scientist in 1660. His name was Antony van Leeuwenhoek. He saw clearly and described microorganisms such as bacteria and blood cells. He is also known as the father of microbiology. This is all about the introduction of this chapter. If you have any question, you can leave a comment. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.